solar system is a star, a hot ball of glowing gases. We call it the Sun. The Sun is by far the largest object in our solar system, so big that 1.3 million Earths can fit inside it. Without the Sun's intense energy and heat, there would be no life on Earth. At its core, the temperature of the Sun can be as high as 15 million degrees Celsius. It was formed around 4.5 billion years ago. And though it is special to us, there are billions of stars like our Sun scattered across the Milky Way galaxy. Orbiting our Sun are 8 planets. There used to be 9 until scientists decided that poor little Pluto was too small to be called a planet. The closest to the Sun is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, about 1/3 the size of Earth. It is a rocky body, much like Earth, and its surface looks a lot like our moon. Being so close to the Sun, the temperature is very high during the day, around 400 degrees Celsius. It takes only 88 days to orbit the Sun. Even though it's the closest planet to the Sun, because it has no atmosphere to absorb the heat, it isn't actually the hottest planet in our solar system. That honor goes to Venus, the second planet from the Sun. Temperatures on Venus are close to 460 degrees Celsius. It is the closest planet to Earth, and also the closest in size to Earth. Because of this, it is sometimes called our sister planet. After the Sun and the Moon, Venus is the brightest object in the sky, even visible on a bright, clear day. The third planet from the Sun is our very own planet Earth. We are the only planet in our solar system to have life, and as far as we know, it's the only planet in the universe to have it. The Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago, around the same time as the Sun. We have one moon called the Moon. Next, the fourth planet from the Sun is Mars, the red planet. Mars is about half the size of Earth and has only about 1/3 of the gravity. This means that on Mars you can jump 3 times higher than you could on Earth. Apart from Earth, Mars is the most habitable planet in the solar system, and one day soon we may go live there. The tallest mountain in the solar system is on Mars, Olympus Mons. It is 22 kilometers high, 2.5 times higher than Mount Everest. Next, we get to the big one, Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, about 1,300 times bigger than Earth. It, along with Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus, is a gas giant, meaning it doesn't have a rocky surface. Instead, it is made up of layers and layers of thick gases. It has 67 moons, the largest of which, Ganymede, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. The red spot on Jupiter is an enormous storm that has been raging for 300 years. It takes 11 years for Jupiter to orbit the Sun. The sixth planet from the Sun is the second biggest Saturn, a bit smaller than Jupiter. The first thing you notice about Saturn is its rings, which are made up of ice. Although it is called a gas giant, scientists think that Saturn may have a small rocky core. It has 150 moons, all of which are frozen. It takes Saturn 29.4 years to orbit the Sun. The seventh planet from the Sun is Uranus, sometimes called the ice giant, with an icy mantle surrounding its rocky core. Uranus is about 63 times the volume of Earth and is the coldest planet in our solar system, with temperatures reaching minus 224 degrees Celsius. Like Venus, Uranus spins in the opposite direction to the rest of the planets. It takes Uranus 84 days to orbit the Sun. The eighth planet is Neptune. It's the furthest planet from the Sun. Like Saturn, Neptune has a ring system, but is not very visible to our telescopes. And that completes our solar system. Scientists think that ours is one of more than 100 billion other solar systems in the universe. So, the probability of the possibility of a life somewhere else seem pretty good, don't you think? Auf Wiedersehen!